What up? Bunch of fun things coming very soon for the Jimny. So my parts from AllThingzJDM should be here this week. I found some extra wrap material, not a lot, but I found some extra wrap material online, so that should be here this week. I'm gonna wrap the Jimny on Thursday. On Thursday, the car should be 90% done. This fender's gonna be done. This is gonna be done. My new hood scoop should be here, so that's gonna be done. This should be done. All that should be done. I think the only thing that's not gonna be done is this roof. Unfortunately, I just can't find enough material. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen right now of the color I need. If you guys have that, let me know. But I think what's gonna end up happening is I'm just gonna have to do this black, which I don't hate. I really wish it could all be the same exact color, but I think I'm gonna do that black. And then I'm gonna have the extra material, which I even hope I have to do like the spare tire cover right here, because I feel like that has to be the same color. The roof being black is not really the end of the world, but I need to have this the same color. But in today's video, I want to do a couple things. First, we're gonna do an oil change. That should be really quick. This is the L11476 filter. These work for the Jimny. And then I want to start to work on the interior. I feel like now that the car is gonna be basically done, it's pretty ugly back here. I don't even have any carpet, which the car came like this. I want to do the headliner, so I'm going to see if I could get the carpet and all that today. But first and foremost, let's do this oil change. I was actually just about to do it, but I wanted to show you guys this because my car is leaking oil at an alarming rate right now. So I was actually driving it yesterday and the oil light came on and I was like, how could the car need oil right now? Josh did an oil change less than 1,500 miles ago. But you can see under here, I'm leaking an extreme amount. Look at all those drops. All those droplets. Completely dry on this side. But this side, covered in oil. So what I'm gonna do right now is the oil change really quickly. And then after that, I wanna clean it the best I could. And then I'm gonna come back here and see if I can see where it's leaking oil, because it's kind of slanted right now, so it could be leaking right now, and I never even realized. So the beloved Jimny might have its first hiccup. So it's a 17 if anybody's wondering. Now that the oil change is done, let's tackle the next problem. So I sprayed some of this already. Now I just have some Dawn and water in here, and I have a tire brush. So I'm gonna see if I can clean it off some more and just get it as best as it could look so I can drive it and see exactly where my problem is. The pile's right there, and this is what's in front of me. So I'm gonna look into whatever's right here. I don't even really know what I'm looking at, but it's obviously leaking somewhere here, and I gotta figure out why. What up? So it's a couple days later, and where we last left off, I was telling you guys that my Jimny was leaking oil. I ended up going to my cousin's house yesterday. We realized that it's most likely from my front main seal, or my oil pan could be faulty, or the oil return line from the turbo could be leaking. So I changed the clamp on the oil return line. I think that made a big difference because I drove it yesterday and it really wasn't leaking anything. So that's kind of just something I have to pay attention to. I don't think I'm gonna change the front main seal. He was telling me that it's like a really big job, and like as much as I love the Jimny, as much as I care about having it forever maybe, right now it's kind of not the top of my concern. I just got to definitely pay attention to my oil levels, and I kind of just gotta be smart about it at least. If I'm gonna drive this car all the way to Atlanta, I gotta do like 6 oil changes, if you know what I mean. But update on the Miata, I haven't really been posting videos like that just because, I'm not gonna lie, this thing kind of has me a little bummed out. I spoke to the insurance company, an appraiser came to my house for 2.5 hours, and he determined from standing here that entire time that this car right here is only worth $4,500. We're kind of going back and forth right now because we got to get a realistic amount for this. If you're going to total loss this car completely, I mean, carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber trunk, roll bar, rear upholstered seats, LED lights, ISR exhaust, turbo kit, Rota 15x9s, carbon fiber interior pieces, Apple CarPlay radio, the list goes on. It has that, the paint is in flawless condition, but the list goes on. So we're gonna kind of figure that out. I'm kind of out of my slump now though, mostly because I got a box from AllThingzJDM. So we're gonna go over the parts list right now, and I'll end the video there. I'm gonna show you a lot of things that we're gonna do coming very soon. The next like 2-3 weeks I'm gonna have a crazy amount of fun content with the Jimny, with another car maybe, and we're just gonna have a lot of fun. So the first package we're gonna look at is, as you guys know, I've been running out of material for the wrap, and I was able to find some more. Not enough to finish the whole car, but I definitely think I have enough to finish the areas that are not done yet. This is about like 2 feet. It looks like a lot, but if I pick this up, you can kind of see that it's really nothing. Like, look, it's not a thick roll. You can see this probably comes out to, like I said, 2 feet. It's not a lot, but it's better than nothing. So now I'm gonna be able to finish the car tomorrow. Today's Thursday. I'm most likely gonna bust this on Thursday. So the car should be 100% wrapped, besides the roof, most likely on Friday. Next, we got this package from AllThingzJDM. Very excited about that. We're gonna open this. I haven't looked at it yet. And then I got this for my trunk. So I've been telling you guys that I want to do the interior. So I'm gonna put this over the trunk, not the trunk, the interior piece of the car. And then I'm gonna spray this next, and then I'm gonna put the carpet after. I'll show you guys that later in the video. And then we got a boost gauge. I got it up to 15 pounds. I actually tried it out yesterday at my cousin's house. I'm running 10 pounds of boost. I believe stock is like 7, 8, but I always knew that my Jimny was just a little faster. So this install is coming very soon. It's very easy, it's mechanical. The only thing you have to really wire are the lights, which could be a pain because I hate lights. And then I got a 2-pod, so I was like, what should my other gauge be? I would love to get like air to fuel or like oil temp or exhaust temp, but those all need like real wiring, and I don't think I could do that on the Jimny. So I just got basic voltage. It's kind of boring, but it is what it is. It's better than nothing. It was either that or a clock, and I'm not paying $70 for a clock gauge. And now for the moment of truth. In here we have 2 mirrors, side mirrors, a fender mirror, the trunk piece I'm very excited for, some snacks, and the hood scoop. Everything is in here. So let's open this guy up right now. This I'm assuming is gonna be my trunk piece. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So this, I'll show you guys in the install video, but this basically, if you have a Jimny, you know when you open the trunk, this is just some storage. It looks like it's just made with a bunch of like weave. I forgot whatever this material is called, but this is cool though. This is cool because like now, it's actually pretty deep too. Look, I can fit my whole fist. This is an iPhone 13 very easily. I can fit a lot of stuff in here, I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot deeper than I thought. I thought it'd be pretty like thin, but you can fit, I don't even know what, like this box. You can fit that there. Spray paint, easy. I can fit like 3 of these cans in here. So this I'm very excited for. This was like $100 total. Ooh, I forgot about this too. I'm very excited about this. But we'll talk about that last, obviously. Shout out to the homies. This looks like, I don't even know, a Honda step wagon thing. It's pretty cool though. That's nice. AllThingzJDM keychain. I didn't even know these existed. Little Japanese patch. I didn't even know I was getting all these goodies. Oh yeah, we got these big bag of goodies too. We'll talk about that last. Let's focus on, what is this? More stickers, no recording. All right, this is my hood scoop. So I'll probably wrap this tomorrow. I found a pretty clean one. They kind of range in price. Some more expensive than others. This one I feel like was more on the expensive side, but no cracks. It comes with these little things that always break off, and the rubber piece too. Mine didn't even come with that. But here's the hood scoop. Very excited about that. Where's the fender mirror? That's what I'm like dying to see. I feel like that's gonna be one of the best upgrades right here. So this is off a JB26, I think. I don't know, the next generation of Jimny after J11. Boom. Bruh, I cannot wait to test fit this and see if it works good. This is gonna be, it's black too, so it's gonna be very easy to wrap. I don't even know how installation goes, but fender mirror lit. And then lastly, just 2 replacement mirrors. And these are off a Jimny too. There aren't like the cheap, like fake ones. So I'm hoping these bolt in right away. I'm a little confused about this though, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm hoping that, yeah, these say Suzuki on them. I'm hoping that I can just put it in like this. Let's actually go outside really quickly. I'll show you guys some of the things that I'm talking about right now. So remember this, because I'm not going to carry it with me. Remember how that looks. Remember how this looks. And we'll take this and the fender mirror with us. But install videos coming very soon. Boost gauge, wrap, mirrors, a bunch of fun stuff. So let's go to the Jimny right now. So first, let's look at that trunk piece. So that goes right here. So it's basically like an OEM replacement. I'm going to use the same 10 screws or 8 screws, and then I'm just going to have a little storage pocket here because there's no storage. If you have a Jimny, there's nothing up there. The glove box is cool, I guess, but like I'll have a lot more storage. It's just an overall amazing product. To me, that was a 10 out of 10 purchase. There's no flaws in that. Next, we have the fender mirror. So I'm not really sure how this is going to fit because like I said before, this is not for this Jimny. This could just be maybe a L of a purchase if I can't make it fit. But I need to go like that, but that's kind of pointing down. I'm not really going to be able to see traffic or anything like that if I keep it like this. Maybe if I put it here. I don't know, I'm not really stressed about it. Regardless though, this thing is sick. Even if I just keep it and I don't even know what, I'll put it on my Miata, but this is very cool. And then lastly, this mirror, which would be this guy, I believe. I just want to be able to just put it right here. Just like the OEM replacement, but I know it has 4 screws and mine only have 3. So it has these 4. Mine only has 3, but I'm hoping that I could just go boom, replace these ugly mirrors and get these bad boys in there. That way it's just a complete W, especially this one. I hate this one with a passion, but if I could just get this in bolted OEM because they are Suzuki mirrors, great. But I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys for watching. All Things JDM polos maybe coming soon, but a bunch of fun videos definitely coming soon. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. One last thing, we can't forget about the snacks. So these look like strawberry little like cones, pretty delicious, and then I know these are gonna be good. You could just tell by looking at this that it's gonna be good. So let's try one really quick before we end this video. Let's see. Do these slap? Oh wow, they're pretty small. Oh, it's like a Hershey's Kiss. I thought it'd be like a cracker, but the whole thing is chocolate. The top is just strawberry chocolate, and the bottom is chocolate chocolate. And now for these guys, which also come with like a million. I know it's gonna be good though. Yeah, I know. It's like a soft cracker with chocolate. W. Forget the parts, just give me these. Put it out.